Hey guys! Our dish for today is fried egg with crispy kangkong salad. So, here are the ingredients for our fried egg crispy kangkong salad. So, hard-boiled egg. Then, yung ating kangkong or watercress. Then, flour, ating onion, garlic, celery, then yung ating paminta, salt, and then yung ating breadcrumbs. So first, lalagyan natin yung ating, mimix muna natin yung ating flour. At least half cup of flour ilalagyan natin. And then yung ating celery. There you go. Then yung ating onion. Garlic. Konti lang na salt. Then, yung ating paminta. So, dadagdagan natin siya. Halo na siya na. Dadagdagan natin siya ng water. Konti lang yung water. There you go. Okay, hiwain naman natin yung ating egg. Hard-boiled egg natin. So, dahan-dahan lang yung paghiwa. There you go. Okay, set aside muna natin siya. So, init na yung ano natin. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating oil, cooking oil. So, habang nagpe-prepare tayo for our, para sa deep frying, yung ating kangkong naman, i-dip natin sa ginawa natin dito mix. After natin i-fry yung ating kangkong, there is the crispy kangkong, Ipo-fry naman natin yung ating egg. So, gamit pa rin ng the same na oil. Same oil. And then the same mix. Yung ating yung ating egg naman yung ibababad natin dito. And then, after natin ibabad, ibubudbura natin siya ng breadcrumbs. Okay? Natin. Try natin budburan ng breadcrumbs. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay sa ating pan. Medyo, yan. So, ito yung kulay. Nag-golden brown na siya. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay. Kasi actually, yung ating, yung ating egg is already cooked naman na. So, no need na ibabad siya ng matagal. Basta mag-golden brown lang yung ating breadcrumbs, pwede na siyang okay. So, luto na ang ating fried egg with crispy kangkong. So, sprinkle na lang natin siya ng ating spring onion or chives. So, here we go. Luto ng ating fried egg with crispy kangkong salad. Enjoy, guys!